Hello friends, welcome to the series Excel Novice to Pro. In this series, I am going to start with basic videos where I would be covering core concepts of some Excel, then how to use it, and slowly I will be advancing it to complex scenarios. So let's start. I know history is a boring subject, but knowing it sometimes gives you better understanding. So Excel is a spreadsheet type of software which was developed by Microsoft Corporation, and the very first version of Excel came in 1987. So you can see that it has come along many years and evolved itself as one of the popular spreadsheet software as of now. So do you want to see the screenshot of the very first version of Excel and how it looked like? Now, Microsoft Excel is not the alone king who rules entire world of spreadsheet. There are many more kings who needs mentions. Like Google Workspace has a product called Google Sheets, which is a spreadsheet software which is browser based, and it is a very tough competitor to Excel. Then next comes the open source one. So LibreOffice is an open source project which exactly offers MS Office like suite, and LibreCalc is spreadsheet software which is also found in many of the systems, like in many of the Linux desktop you'll find LibreCalc. Okay, and third one which I feel popular is slowly becoming popular, I will say, is Sheets. It is our own Indian one. It is also a promising spreadsheet software. Let me share a hot question asked by many people. Is Microsoft Excel available freely or it is paid? And answer is both. So stay with me for a few more minutes and we will understand it. Okay. Now focusing on the paid. Okay. So the licensing of Microsoft Excel is available in two models. Okay. One is perpetual and other is subscription based. Now, what do you mean by perpetual? So in perpetual license, you pay for the software only once, and after that, you can enjoy its benefit forever. Okay. But again, uh, it would not get updates very frequently. Okay. And other one is subscription based. In subscription based, you need to renew or pay for the subscription every annum or every month, depending on your type of nature of subscription. Okay. And in subscription based, you always get the latest one because you are always paying for the latest and updated version. Microsoft keeps on upgrading and enhancing Excel from time to time, and it keeps on releasing various versions. So perpetual version you will mostly find by year number. So like 2013, 16, 19 or 2021. Okay. And for Office 365, which is subscription based, you'll find only one version. But again, that it has many subversion all called builds. Okay. And it keeps on upgrading and releasing builds from time to time. So I've seen maybe monthly or every 2 months, whenever it encounters and finds any bug, it immediately resolves it and releases it. So with Office 365, you always keeps on getting new features and fixes from time to time. Microsoft Excel is available for multiple types of devices and operating system. So primarily we would classify it as desktop based, mobile based and browser based. Now coming to the desktop based, so it is available for Windows and Mac OS. Okay, so desktop one is mostly the powerful one with majority of the features. Then next comes mobile based. So you would find Microsoft Excel app in Google Play Store and Apple Store. And third one is web based or cloud based. So this version of Excel you can access from your browser, and this version is a platform, or I will call operating system independent. Now one question remains unanswered. I know you have that question. Which is the free and paid version of Excel? Okay. So the desktop based Excel is paid. Okay. And mobile and web based or browser based are free. Okay. So you need to sign up for Office 365 account, and then you would get for free, you would get 5 GB of storage, and you can then link that account in your mobile based Excel, and you can enjoy Excel there. Okay. And browser based, you can just simply sign into website called office.com and access web version of Excel, which dicto looks like a desktop version of Excel. Only thing is that it has some lesser number of features supported. So friends, this was just preface of the book. So we are yet to start with the story. So from the next video onwards, I would start with the actual explanation and demonstration of the Excel. So lastly, if you feel that you have gained some knowledge, please don't hesitate to like the video and stay tuned to this series and to the Excel Kida YouTube channel for more such videos.